Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, I can hear you.
Good. Hello, my name is Mark. I'm from England.
Okay, great. My name is Ramzan. I am from India.
Nice to meet you, Ramzan.
Yes.
Where do you live in India?
I live in the northern part of India, that is Kashmir. Maybe you have heard about.
I have. I understand it's very beautiful.
Yes, you are right.
Okay. How old are you, Ramzan?
I'm 24.
Are you a student or are you working?
Yes, I'm working as a software developer.
Yeah.
Yes, from last 3 years.
So which city do you live in?
Actually, I was living in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. But now, after COVID, I started my own freelancing work. So now I am living away from my hometown, about 15 miles.
Okay. So do you work from home?
Yes, I work from home.
Good. So how can I help you, Ramzan? Have you got?
Yes, actually, I read your profile, and there you mentioned that you are an engineer. So uh, in which branch you specialized engineering?
I used to be an electronics engineer.
Okay, great. So you did the job and then you are not working right now, or you are also continuing that profession?
No, I've retired from engineering now, and I spend most of my time teaching.
Okay. So you was working with government, or you was in a private company?
Yeah, I used to work for British Telecom. I used to work in the telecommunication industry. Have you heard of British Telecom?
Hmm, not heard about the British Telecom, but yes, I know the telecom.
Yeah. So yeah, I used to work in the telecom industry.
Okay, that's really great. And what was your I mean, your position? You was there working in a technical aspects, or you are in management?
In the end, I was in management. I used to oversee projects, manage projects, uh, installing new equipment, removing equipment, installing new equipment. Yeah, building uh, new planning new buildings.
Okay, so initially you started with the technical work.
Yeah. We started.
Okay,
Yeah. I was hands on. Yeah, and worked up.
okay, that's really great, and you have a great experience. So, have you hired people in your company? I mean, do you have you got any opportunity to work as a technical person who is also taking part in hiring?
No, I didn't. I never got involved in that side of things.
Okay, so what was the best thing in which you found interesting? And actually, I'm interested to learn about uh, from your experience.
Yeah. Well, just starting a project from zero, and from zero to the finished product, getting things working.
Okay, so you was managing the team in that project.
Yeah.
Okay, actually, I was also looking for increasing my team. So I had the problems like currently I am handling all the stuff by myself, like designing, development, management, and other aspects. But I think that I have to scale up, and for that I am going to hire more people. But how I will be managing the things? So, do you have any specific points which I should keep in mind before hiring? And if I hire the people, how to manage all those?
Yeah. Well,
I mean the. key points
Yeah,
which you are thinking that according to your experience, those are really important.
yeah, hire the right people, obviously, hire the right people. Yeah, make sure that they can do the job. Make sure that
Okay.
they're experienced. Yeah, always check,
Okay.
always check references.
Okay.
Okay, because people write CVs and they can do everything. There's nothing that they can't do. When you employ them, they're absolutely useless. So always speak to their last employer. Yeah.
Yes.
And don't worry about age. If someone's 50, 60, that doesn't mean that they can't do a good job for you. They've got lots of experience. Okay?
Okay.
So age shouldn't be a barrier when you're employing someone.
Okay.
Neither should sex. Yeah? Men or women.
What should? Sorry.
Sex. Male, female.
Yes. So this should be
It
what?
shouldn't be a barrier. The same as age shouldn't be a barrier. Sex,
Oh, I got it.
shouldn't be a barrier. Okay. So
Okay.
to get the right team, you need to do your homework. You need to pay the right wages. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't expect people to work for nothing, because if you're paying peanuts, you get monkeys. Okay.
Yes. That's really important. So when you was managing your team, so how I mean how many times uh, you were arranging the meetings with your team member?
All the time. There was always meetings about one thing or another. Try and keep the meetings to a minimum. People,
Oh,
unless they're absolutely essential, you end up having a meeting about planning the next meeting, and most of the time it's just an excuse to waste time. Yep, you're self-employed. You don't want to be sat in a meeting when you could be productive. Meetings are non-productive. Only have a meeting if it's absolutely essential, or have
yes.
regular short meetings for 10 or 15 minutes every day, every other day.
Yes, just like following the agile and scrum model, like stand-up meeting.
Yeah, and
And
it keeps everyone can have their say. It keeps them happy. Yeah, it creates harmony within your workforce.
yes. In that way, we can actually analyze the tasks which we gave to the employees, and if they had any problem, then they could openly share with
Yeah,
us. And even we can also allocate more tasks if they don't have,
yeah,
right?
yeah, and you can continually monitor them within the meeting. Yeah, instead of
Okay.
having one massive meeting when everything's gone wrong.
Uh-huh. So you mean that we have to do the meeting specific to the specific peoples if we have any need of that, right?
Yeah, but like I say, have a meeting, a short meeting every day or every other day, at the end of
Mhm.
the day or the beginning of the day, just say so people feel part of the team. Yep, they can say what's going wrong, or what they think might go wrong, or they can tell you what's going right.
Yes, that's great. And other than that, how to build the trust? Like they will not be damaging our
Well,
things.
again, employ the right people, do your research, check references, people with experience. Like again, women, older people. Yeah, don't let sex or age be a barrier to employing someone.
Yes, that's really important. You mean that we have to focus on at the time of hiring rather than thinking about the later
Yeah,
time.
yeah. Get your recruitment right from day one. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so